We attend the orientation to understand the safety protocol and project requirements, allowing us to begin the task mentality. Afterward, to respond to warehouse where Miss Heidi briefed us the or specific responsibility or the first task involved organizing warehouse equipment, specifically lifting and conducting an inventory count of the wire rolls. Dito, what we did organize the equipment in the warehouse because that was the instruction given to us by Ma'am Heidi. We started by setting aside the items that were separate from their set. Next, we organized the nails and boots. We contained them and grouped them together, which made the most easier to find since all the identical items were sorted into one place. Day 3, we contained the PVC pipe working together to finish quickly and listen them down to keep track of the total count. Them we contained other materials. There were so many, and some pipes were still wet, which made handling them a bit uncomfortable. Next, we contained the metal PVC fitting outside and organized them. After that, we counted the switches rating from 1 gang to 3 gang switch. Finally, we all helped each other carry towards inside the warehouse. My day for my groupment and organize the breakers so they would be easier to count. We worked together to quickly finish the inventory of the equipment. We learned a lot inside the warehouse, specifically regarding organize the and sorting. One thing I be applied to myself is waking up early to ensure I'm never late for our projects. Things experience is really testing our skills and accuracy in counting. Day 5, we accurate several kinds of point and work together with a colleges so it's called to finish quickly and make it easier to count of the box.